This review is of Gardencut Kabob Kit. And I'm not actually making kebabs. I just need to make something because this is my last non-liquid meal until Friday after my colonoscopy. Right, so there is the recipe right there. And kosher certified. Oh, it's from Indianapolis. Okay. Nutrition facts. 1/2 skewer. 78 grams. No fat or cholesterol or sodium. Yay. No carbs. Sorry, 4 carbs. 1 gram of dietary fiber. 2 grams of sugar. 1 gram of protein. And you already saw the ingredients. So, if you can just imagine, I mean, there's really no point in me doing this as kebabs because there's no package of spices or anything like that or sauce or whatever. So it's just going to taste like what it's going to taste like if you buy these ingredients and put them on skewers. And it even smells like it. I can especially smell the bell peppers. So, I mean, this looks really appealing, and I'm going to enjoy it. So, I would say, just taste. Ooh, that's a nice, tasty, zesty onion. Nice bell pepper. Nice zucchini. They didn't really wipe off the mushrooms very well. That's kind of disappointing. And it even comes with toothpicks. So, I was going to give it a 9, but dirty mushrooms, I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.